I'm Jam of JeromeMancheta.com and we will be unboxing the hottest flagship smartphone ngayon sa Pilipinas, ang Xiaomi Mi 3. Yes, bakit siya interesting? Kasi it has a flagship specifications, pero the price is at 10,600 pesos. Diba? Nakakagulat. Isipin mo, almost half the price ng mga flagship smartphones ngayon. Actually, in the former flagships. Pero yung kasame lang na specifications, it has a Snapdragon 800 processor inside, 2 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano. Basahin ko rin sa likod. It's not expandable, a 5-inch IPS Full HD display. There's a 3,000 mAh of battery. That's pretty big. 13 megapixel BSI camera with dual LED flash. And at the front, we got a 2 megapixel BSI front camera. Unfortunately, despite having a Snapdragon 800 processor, there's no LTE inside. So, stock tayo with HSPA+. So, ano pa ba meron dito? We have GLONASS, GPS. Basically, it's a, well, it's a flagship phone. Pero sobrang mura. You can get it only at Lazada for now. It's available actually for 10,600 pesos. Kung gusto nyo, you can check out lazada.com.ph. So, yes, ano pang inaabangan natin? Let's unbox the hottest flagship smartphone ngayon sa Pilipinas, ang Xiaomi Mi 3. Okay guys, so here's the Xiaomi Mi 3 na carton. Actually, sobrang simple lang nung box niya. Carton lang siya and then the specifications sa likod. So, yeah, let's unbox the Xiaomi Mi 3. So, ito na po kagad ang Xiaomi Mi 3. So, mamaya natin pag-uusapan ng Xiaomi Mi 3. And then, dito sa box, we have yung, well, it's a pin para patanggal dun sa SIM card. So, let's check it out later. Oh, yes. So, ito na yung mga manuals. Well, mga manual papers, blah, blah, blah. Basically, guide siya sa MIUI, sa MIUI. I'm not sure kung anong gusto na lang tawagin doon, pero yeah, it's my, whatever. It's still a great phone. Okay, so here we have the charger. Sobrang simple lang ng charger niya. Sobrang ding lit. It's black. And it's, well, yeah, it's parang simple. Same lang with other brands. And then sa tabi, we got a, what's here? I'm not sure what this thing is, but I guess it's the USB. So yes, it's the USB. USB siya. Yeah. USB, micro USB. Then, ano pa ba? Alright, so, I guess wala na. There's no earphones. I'm not sure kung tinanggal nila earphones. But yeah, yun lang naman yung mahalaga for now. So, let's have a, hands-on. This is a Xiaomi Mi 3. So, I'll just turn it on muna. So, focus it muna, yan. So, I'll just turn it on. Ayan, so, actually, nung nahawakan ko siya, mukha siyang Lumia 925. It's very similar to the Nokia Lumia 925, pero it's not metal. It's plastic, pero it looks like metal. Masarap siya hawakan, hindi siya cheap yung material, and type ko siya. So, orin ko muna kayo, meron dito. Well, we have a 5-inch Full HD IPS display. Sa side, sa left side, wala tayong buttons. Nasa right side lahat, the volume button and the power button. Sa taas, we have the SIM card slot. Ayan po. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Tanggalin natin yung SIM card na slot. Para makita nyo. Ayan po. So, yan. Hindi ko mapindot. Alright? Yan. So, unfortunately, it's a regular SIM card. Hindi siya micro SIM. Ayan, kung nakita nyo po, hindi po siya micro SIM. It's regular SIM card. So, balik ko na lang ulit. Yan. So, okay. So, sa likod, we have the 13 megapixel camera with dual LED flash. May microphone. I think that's a microphone din yata yung nasa likod. The minimalistic Mi logo here. Flat yung niya, yung bottom end sa top. Natutuwa ako, nandito yung niya, yung speaker niya. So, kahit nakapatong siya na ganito, hindi mabablock yung yung sound. Kaya kahit saan niyo siya ipatong, hindi mabablock. Kaya nakakatuwa. And kaya siya, since nandito yung speaker grill, nasa side yung micro USB 2.0. So, yeah, I think that's it. So, let's have a look. Alright, so maraming nag-email sa akin. And actually, ko na to nagamit ko na to. And, ginagamit ko lang ulit para sa unboxing and hands-on, para sa inyo. Parang yun, pinapakita sa inyo. Anyway, so may nag-spam sa akin ngayon. Si Musta na kayo dyan? Yan daw si new roaming number niya. Umaya natin pag-usapan nyo kung sino siya. I-spam nyo siya kung gusto nyo. Bahala kayo, okay? Yun yung number. Anyway, this is the MIUI. I'm not sure kung anong tama pag-pronounce. Pero, it looks very decent and beautiful. Para siya, well, babawasan natin yung brightness para makita nyo. Ayan po. So, Yan, para kita ng lahat. So, this is the MIUI. There's no app drawer kasi yung mismong home screen mo, yun na yung mismong app drawer. The display looks very nice. Para siya nagpa-pop out sa totoo lang, yung display. Kasi medyo naka-elevate yung screen niya. So, parang mas medyo maangat tingnan yung display niya. Actually, maganda yung display niya. Hindi ko lang bakit, pero nagaganda na ako sa display niya. Maganda rin ang colors. I like the contrast. The viewing angles are good too. And then, let's go back to the MIUI. We have here the home screen along with the apps. Again, there's no app drawer. The widgets, dito na rin yung widgets. Yan, no, widgets. And then, yan. Actually, nandito na yung widgets and home and applications pinagsama-sama na. But of course, you could make some folders like you sa Google and sa everything. Well, pagdating sa menu, let's see. Pakita sa inyo yung settings. Maganda yung ano niya, yung design niya. I'm not sure kung kita niyo. Ayan. So, natutuwa ako sa design niya. Very simple, very minimalistic. Doesn't look like an iPhone, pero, well, a little bit of iPhone, iOS. Pero, it's very user-friendly and madali siyang intindihin. And since Snapdragon 800 ang nasa loob nito, it is very, very smooth. I didn't expect na ganito ka-smooth ang MIUI. Actually, sa Antutu benchmark, nakakuha siya ng score na 32,740 and actually pwede mo may adjust pa nga pala yung phone mo sa battery and then power settings. You could choose a balance battery saving or high performance just like sa mga PC. If gusto mo makatipid ng battery, just choose power saving. And then so yeah, I think that's it muna sa Xiaomi Mi 3 hands-on and unboxing. So yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if hindi pa kayo na-subscribe sa channel ko, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo sa channel ko para sa mga susunod pa na hands-on videos and of course, Jam Online TV. So once again, I'm Jam of JeromeMancheta.com and this is the unboxing and hands-on of the Xiaomi Mi 3.